Growing up, I was a kid who was constantly sick, always on medication, always in and out of hospitals and doctor's offices. And what I remember most from that time is watching my mom, wanting answers, wanting someone to slow down long enough to explain what was actually going on. But every visit felt like the same story. You walk in, you wait, and you walk out with another prescription, another referral, or another let's wait and see. Maybe you felt that way too. Maybe you sat in the doctor's office knowing something was off and still walked out with more questions than you have answers. For me, the pattern continued for years. My gut kept getting worse, my hormones fell out of balance, I struggled with blood sugar issues, and eventually all of that led to one of the darkest seasons of my life. I share that because I know I'm not the only one who feels this way. Not because doctors are bad people, but because the system they work in is rushed, fragmented, and not built to truly listen.
One thing I've heard many times from patients is, "Thank you so much for listening to me." So when Raul came to me with the vision for Blueprint, what resonated most was this: so many families have been through a system that never really heard them. I wanted to be a part of changing that. At Blueprint, we start with your story. Before we talk about labs, supplements, treatment plans, what we want to understand is what's happened. What's changed? What have you already tried? What's been overlooked? Because symptoms aren't random, they're signals. And to understand what your body is trying to say, we'd like to look at the whole picture. Your history, your lifestyle, your nutrition, your sleep, your stress, your environment, and your family's goals. Our job is not to rush you through a system. Our job is to help you understand what's happening and build a clear plan moving forward.
Care that listens first, care that looks deeper, care that helps families stop chasing symptoms and start building real health.
Whether you're a parent looking for different care for your child, or a mom who feels exhausted and unheard, or a family who knows there has to be a better way, start with a free discovery call. We'll listen to your story, we'll answer your questions, and you decide if Blueprint is the right fit for you.
I spent years in a system that never really saw me. Blueprint exists so your family does not have to have the same story. Your family's health deserves more than 5 minutes and a prescription. It deserves a blueprint.